All right, so we have a new property that we're cleaning. We're gonna be doing this one right here. And the customer gave me a call to have her roof cleaned. Actually, I think she went on my website and submitted a lead form. I gave her a quote. I do a lot of my quotes right online. Just right online. I go on Google Earth, I take the measurements that I need, I look at the pitch. I have been doing this long enough that I pretty much know what kind of moss is going to be on the roof. I may ask questions like, when was the last time the roof was professionally cleaned? Things like that. But for the most part, I know exactly what's going on with the roof. So as we're getting closer to the date, she asked me if I do discounts for multiple roofs. Now, I've had situations like that in the past. It's usually they want their kid's roof done or their neighbor's roof done or something like that. But in fact, she was selling this house right here and she's buying another house. Her family's expanding and her family's growing and she's looking to get the next house cleaned. She talked to the homeowner of the next house, and I don't know the scenario, but we're doing both houses. So one house turned into two houses, and we're gonna get this one clean. Let's get it. So I've got this roof soft washed. I've got it all pre-treated. I put a 3% treatment up there and I hit some of the bad areas with a 6%. It really needed it to get some of that dark discoloration off of there. This house needs to be cleaned for the home loan to be approved. So that's what we're doing. So there was dark spots all on this side and it looks like all of that's coming clear. And in the meantime, there's a ton of houses on either side and they all look like they need to be cleaned. Well, a lot of them look like they need to be cleaned. I already talked to this customer right here, or this person right here, to try to turn them into a customer, but we're gonna do some door hangers. Whenever I go out to a property, I always try to do about 10 door hangers at the same time. I try to do the houses to the left, to the right, and across the street. It's just a practice that I have been doing that. I'll get someone to call me, get a price, and if anything, it just keeps you in mind for next time. And you may not get the job right away, but you may get it. A lot of people will see a roof and they'll just pass by it and they won't, because the roof is not dirty. Still put a door hanger up because you never know if they're gonna need you in the future or if they know someone who's looking for that service. You're not just advertising to the person you're giving the door hanger to, you're also advertising to their entire warm market. I'm gonna just get this done while the roof is dwelling and that moss is dying. That's gonna make it a lot easier to remove. All right, the moss has been treated. It's all dead right there, or right over there. It's all dead as you can see. And now I'm gonna do a low pressure rinse using my M5 nozzle, and that's gonna get a lot of that moss off right away, and this house is gonna be good to go.
Only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid to love, not I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you.
All right, we are all done. I'm just walking away from the property. It came out so good. If you want to learn how to do pressure washing or soft washing, or you're looking to add pressure washing and soft washing to your business, I have written the most comprehensive guide on pressure washing and soft washing. It is over 150 pages of just information on everything, on step-by-steps on how to do things, how the ratios, doing quotes, pretty much everything. So if you want to check this out, you can get a digital copy of the Wash Playbook at thewashplaybook.com, or you can check out and get the physical copy on Amazon. It's available right now. Go check it out. If you like this kind of content, make sure you smash that like button and you hit the subscribe button. I want to drop more content like this. This has been really fun. I'm having a lot of fun putting these kind of videos together. So I'll catch you on the next one. Keep washing.